so glad that you can join me today. Originally, when I thought about like filming this video, totally thought it was a video my kids would be like super excited to join me in, and instead they're both like, nah, ma, and went upstairs. So we'll see if they end up joining us or not. Otherwise, you know, it's just gonna be you guys and me, and we're gonna make it super cool anyways. Like, we don't need them. Also, that little foamer thing I was using to make the cold foam on top of my coffee is like my favorite purchase of 2020. It has been like one of the things that's brought me the most joy, and we all need things that bring us joy this year. And so if you don't have one of those and you're a coffee drinker, or just, I mean, I've used it on a lot of drinks besides just coffee, but oh my goodness, I just love that thing. And there's like fancier ones you can get where you can like make little designs on top of your coffee. I'm here for it. So today we're gonna be making some Christmas ornaments, and I think they're gonna be really easy and a lot of fun. So I really wanted to make some Christmas ornaments even though I don't have a Christmas tree up yet. It's not even Thanksgiving, and I'm totally not opposed to people putting up their Christmas tree early. I've actually done it a lot of times. But the last few years, my family and I have been doing the real Christmas tree, and you know, you can't get that too early or it's just no good by Christmas Day. So we're waiting a little bit longer, definitely until after Thanksgiving before we actually get a Christmas tree and get it up. So even though we're making some ornaments, I have nowhere to put them right now. So if you are new here, then you should know that my channel is all about DIY acts of kindness, which just means it's me doing acts of kindness or crafts or different things, hoping to inspire you of ways that you can spread kindness where you live, and then together we can just like sprinkle kindness and happiness everywhere we are. So obviously COVID has really made it so much more difficult, but at the same time I feel like now is the time when people really just need those glimmers of hope and joy more than ever before. So I hope that you can be inspired by something we do here today. And if you guys have some ideas of how we can use ornaments for acts of kindness, write them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. I'm gonna be making a lot. So some of these I will be keeping for our tree, and then some of them we will be giving away. So some ways that you can use ornaments for acts of kindness is obviously just to have a fun time with your kids. My kids are just a little too cool for that today, but if your kids are younger and it's something they're into, this is a perfect craft just to make your kids happy, or even have your kids sit and make these ornaments and then they can give them away as little gifts to their friends for Christmas. Super fun. We've done that before, in fact. Another way that you can do ornaments is give to grandparents, or you could totally put together even a little kit and then drop it off to, like, say, foster parents for their kids to do this craft themselves, or you could customize these ornaments and maybe put their names on them somehow. Yeah, there's lots of things you could do with a simple ornament to spread kindness. We will probably give some of them to our friends. We might even be mailing some of them. We'll see. I'm gonna have to talk to the kiddos and see what they want to do with them, but we're gonna go ahead and make some ornaments. So these are the things, and I got all of this stuff from Michael's recently. I don't know how much were these. Doesn't even say. I don't know. I want to say these were like maybe $2 a piece, but I honestly don't remember. But they're just these furry fuzz balls, and I really wanted pom-poms, which I found some pom-poms, but they're not big enough. I wanted pom-poms this big, and since I couldn't find them, I came upon these little furry things, and they actually have a loop, which is perfect if you're gonna hang this on a tree. And so I thought that these would work for the craft that I wanted to do. So we're gonna use these furry pom-poms. Instead, I got some yarn, and this is super soft yarn. This one is so pretty, so soft. I just love it. Love that. Bought some beads, and they had a lot of sizes of these. I went with these two, and I also picked these ones because they were kind of closer to colors. Some of these varied a little bit, and I really wanted them to be pretty much the same. So we got those, And then last but not least, I got this, which also I am going to probably use for Christmas gifts. And that one was $14.99. Actually, I think this was even, oh, I think almost all their Christmas stuff was like 40% off when I went. And that. And then this last thing I got at Amazon. And this is not, I thought we could use some of these for ornaments. I actually originally bought these so that I could use them on my stockings for Christmas. And so I will show you guys, I bought 3. I still have to get one more. I'm gonna show you guys the 3 that I got so far. I really wanted one that had pom-poms on it, and I also wanted it to be a decent size. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes our stockings like fill up so much that I don't have room even to put all the little things. And so then I just kind of stuff them in our tree. But so I really wanted bigger stockings that were at least like 23 inches because a lot of times they're 18. So I did find some and they're like huge. They look so big to me. But I will show you guys. And I got these off Amazon. I still need one more, looking for a matching one. Not sure what way I'm gonna go yet. So these are the stockings I got. I still need one more, like I said. These ones came in a set of 2 and they're really big, like that's my hand. They are really good size. To me they're perfect though. And so I'm gonna be using these tags and writing their names, like I don't know if I'll write Rob or Dad, but it'll be on this one. And then I'm gonna use some twine to hang it there. It'll be super cute. So I'm doing that on all those, and I'm going to be either staining this or painting it. I haven't decided yet, and then writing our names. And then this is the other one I got, which this one looks like it's probably softer, but actually these are a lot softer than this one is. But I really wanted it because it had these 2 little pom-poms, and I thought that was just so cute. That's really what I wanted. And I just wanted something basic and neutral. And this one's actually a little bit bigger than those ones. I think this one was 24 and these ones were 23 inches. So yeah, I got those. And I have no idea where I'm going to hang them in this house because we don't have anywhere good to really hang them. So I don't know if you guys followed Jessica, who I recently did a collab with for a selective mutism video, selective mutism in the US versus in the UK, and she did the UK perspective. But I was watching one of her videos recently, which if you guys do not subscribe to her, you should go subscribe to her. She is amazing. Go find that video and then go follow her. All of her information is in that video. But she was doing, I think it was like an unboxing video or a haul video or something like that, where she was opening ornaments and just showing them. And I think it's so cute that they call some of their ornaments baubles. And me and the kids were saying we have to start calling some of our ornaments baubles now. But she was opening this one ornament and it was like a reindeer pom-pom. Jessica, you have to let me know, do you still call those baubles or are those called ornaments? Because I know you said there was a difference between the two and I can't remember what you said. But that is what I wanted to do. I wanted to try and recreate her little reindeer ornaments that she had because I thought they were so cute and they looked like something that we could probably make. And so we'll see if it works out, but that is what we're gonna try and do with these little furry guys. So the first thing you're gonna do to make these reindeer ornaments is take some pipe cleaners and make the antlers. I did that by just twirling it around on my finger, as you can see. And some of the ones I did differently just by shaping them in different ways, which I will show you shortly. And then you're just going to take it and hot glue it onto your pom-pom or fur ball or ornament or whatever you find. And here I am using another pipe cleaner and just kind of twisting it around and forming different shapes with it to resemble a deer's antlers. And I just made 4 separate ones. I kind of wanted each one to look a little bit differently, and so you can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy. So there you have it. There are my little reindeer ornaments. I gave him a bigger nose and I kind of wish I would have done the smaller one because that just must make him the real Rudolph, right? But yeah, that was quite easy. It took me probably no more than 5 minutes. An easy craft for you to do with your kids, and I think they turned out quite cute. And you could obviously add the Google eyes if you wanted to, but I think this is how Jessica's were. Even they did not have eyes, and I kind of like them that way, just like that. There we go, my little reindeer baubles. On to the next one. Okay, you guys, we are now making a little snowman, and I originally wanted to make 2 pom-poms, but even though this fabric is super soft, what I didn't realize is as soon as you cut it, it just falls apart. As you can see, it's shredded. So I started to make pom-poms, but it wouldn't work because as soon as you cut it, all the pieces just came completely unraveled. So what I did instead is I started out and I just made a knot in here, and then I just kind of like a snowball, I twisted and twisted and twisted and wrapped and wrapped and wrapped until I got 2 balls. So, and then I just hot glued them together. So there's the beginning of my little snowman. Alright, what do you guys think of my little snowman? I just put a big old pom-pom on his head for a hat, and then another little pom-pom. So I actually, for his eyeballs, I just used pipe cleaner and I twisted that up into a little ball, and then I cut it and glued it on there. This is also pipe cleaner. I just cut it, folded it a little bit, and stuck it in there. And then I added these 2 little pom-poms, and with my ribbon I made him a little scarf. And I also used that to make a little hoop right here. That way I can hang him up on the tree. Alright, what are you trying to make, Mary?
A Santa Claus.
A Santa Claus?
I think I can make this a hat.
That looks like a hat to me. And Levi, what are you working on, bud? You guys got a very cool snowman. Look at the eyeballs on that snowman. He is cute. Very cute. And we ended up making the tassel on him right out of his tree.
Jesus. Having the time of your life.
Yeah. And I am working on a tassel, but not sure how it's going to go. We'll see. Me and Chai are working on this one together.
She's like, yeah, I'm just here to play. This lady is full of lies. I'm actually just playing. Do you want me to?
Alright, now let me... This is Lael's little man she's making.
Oh, my hat! Finally! This took so long to make. It's supposed to be a Santa Claus.
I think he would be a cute little elf even.
Yeah, maybe.
How do you want his feet? Like out or in or?
Outish.
Outish, okay. There is Lael's little Santa elf man. She did a really good job. One ornament made. Levi finished his snowman.
Yes.
Hold it by its little tassel, let me see. Oops.
Okay, I got it.
Dude.
It's so soft, it's slippery.
It is soft. Good job, man.
Close up.
We're just pumping out
Look at the
kinds
cat
of
though.
ornaments. Yeah, Chai's still having the best time of her life.
Chai loves Christmas.
Hi, Pudding.
She has the Christmas.
Guys, it's getting late, and we've been over here like crafting the day away, haven't we? So let's show you guys some of the things we made. We have Lael's little guy there. Levi made this cute little reindeer.
I made another reindeer.
Little tail. Yeah, Lael made this reindeer. We thought about giving him a body, but you know what? We just think he's better as a floating head. And then we got some snowmen. Now let me show you. And we got the cutest little snowman. This is Leo's. She made his curly little hat. Little stick hands, so cute. And then we ended up putting, yep, Some stick hands on Levi's. And I really like his little boom 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 hat.
My polo hat.
And then we made these tassels, last things, we got 6 of them.
Okay. It looks like an alpaca with a red nose and horns.
How cute are those? I think these could be a cute little garland or something. Or you could hang them on your tree. And I didn't get to my stocking name tags yet or the ornaments for these. So I think what I'm going to do is do this for an Instagram story. So make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram or even Facebook. And you should be able to catch what I'm going to do with these in stories over there. Leia, what do you think we should do with our ornaments? Do you think we should give them away, or do you want to keep them? Or what do you think? What's your ideas?
I want to keep them.
I think that we could give a few away, but we could keep some too.
Yeah, that's kind of what I said. We made a lot, and you know, we might even make some more. We'll see.
I think that these would be really good to give away. They're so
You
cute.
think so? I like the poof balls. Alright, well that's it for today's video, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, or if you're watching on Facebook, make sure you like the page and like the video. Alright, so we'll see you guys next time. Bye! And close it out. Oh man, now it's time to clean up this disaster.